Hey, what's up, Loop? My name is James, and today we're talking about influence, right? So what is influence? Influence is nothing new. It's using what you have, what you think, and who you are to get people to follow you. So imagine this. Imagine I just gave you a YouTube channel with 1 million subscribers, right? That's your audience. What would you say to them? What would you want them to do? How would you influence them? All right, now imagine I gave you one person that was going through a hard time. They were in need. What would you say to them? What would you want them to do? How would you influence them? So here's the deal. If you want to have influence or be an influencer, there is no one better to learn from than Jesus. Why? Because Jesus lived 2,000 years ago, and he still, to this day, has more followers than anybody on Instagram or on YouTube, right? 2,000 years ago. Those things weren't even invented yet, and Jesus still has the most influence of anybody in history. So Jesus was God in human form. That means he had all the power in the universe, but he never forced people to follow him. Instead, what Jesus did is he gained his influence by helping people that were hurting, by meeting their needs with mercy and with grace. The more Jesus met people's needs, the more his influence grew, and the more people wanted to follow him because people's lives were being changed for the better. So when the world gets dark, shine your light with mercy and grace. Use your influence like Jesus did. Use your influence to help other people, to serve those that are in need. Use your influence to not just build up your brand, but to build up other people. Now, you don't need a big audience to be an influencer. All you need is one person that you can help. And we all have that one person. So today, choose to be an influencer. Choose to use what you have, what you think, who you are to help someone else. Stand up for a friend in need. Serve your parents. Be a good brother or sister to your siblings. I know it's hard, but it's worth it because you have influence. As a matter of fact, you have more influence than you think you have. Don't hide it. So today, how will you shine your light of leadership?